And now I'll give you the super low, 17 hertz, with this window on. Alright, YouTube Jacob Vile. I have 4 18s, so 4 of them inside on about 7,000 watts of clamping power. You ready? Is that pretty good? Crazy. Ever felt something like that before? You want to feel the lows now? Low frequency? Oh, excuse me. Man, I'm sneezing a lot. That was a lot better, probably. Thanks for coming by. You know, from right here. What's up?
What happened to the little bit?
We got rid of it. No.
Oh, I just had one little sub for about a year because we were getting married, finances and stuff, so I settled down for a year. Yep, and then after I got married and just had a little bit more money I spent and got bigger again. Thank y'all for coming by. Hope you like that. I'm sure it kind of got you a little head. It'll get your head if you're not used to 160, so yeah. Thank y'all. I'll come see your build later, Frankenstein. You want to hear it, man? What's up, Dan? Always giving me demo. It's his turn.
No, because now that's going on my webpage.
Really? Okay. So last time you heard it, 2 years ago, I had 4 15s. It was doing a 161. So I have 4 SoundCube HDX 418s on 2 cheap Brazilian 8K Stetson amps.
Yeah, you're probably still going to choke.
At 1 ohm. But yeah, I'll give you the high note first, and then I'll give you
thanks. Appreciate that.
Yeah. So I'll put the window up, high note first.
Okay.
And the low note, you're used to low, so it's not as impressive as yours, but alright. There you go. So I peak at 49 hertz. So 49 is right below 50. It'll do a 62 at the headrest. And then right there is a 63.
Oh, I'll go back here.
Jimmy sound right. Get what you want, do, nigga.
Tap.
No, you did good, but that's pretty painful, that higher note in the 60s, yeah. Yep. 26 hertz is my peak on the low end.
There you go.
So 26.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yep, 26 on the my seat right there. I have a seat adjustment for, you know, the peak.
Oh, you got a seat adjustment and everything for everything.
Yeah. All right, so 26. pops. Yeah. And I put a zip tie on it, and then it messes up. Anyway, that's the lows.
I like it.
And now I'll give you the super low, 17 hertz, with this window on. It loads off. Obviously, but
Well,
it
that's
does
what
pretty.
you tune for.
Yeah, I tuned as high as I can on that high peak.
Yeah, you go for that high.
Yep.
I'm gonna choke him out.
Yep. So yeah, this fourth order 418s on about 7,000 watts of plant power. I always do demo window up first. It's just a little louder demo with window up. Been having head unit problems, so hopefully we don't have any. This flex it, see it screen goes out. That's about 162 meters of water.
Yeah.
That's the high note. Now I'll give you the lows.
Dude, you're the only one that's got me in the throat so far.
Really?
Like
Pretty
that,
loud?
yeah.
Appreciate it. That's good to hear then.
Like
Yeah.
usually it's fucking up my eyeballs.
Yeah, that's our goal, is to be as loud as we can around that point.
No, that was like actually close.
Really? This is 26 hertz. Thanks for coming here, man. Thanks for the demo, too. Yeah, right here. Yeah, 3 layers of wood, man. To get how loud you heard it, it took a lot of work. And that's 162 and some change right there. Appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to get him to come here, too. Was that louder than last time? Yeah, I gained about a whole dB all around with about 2K watts more. Yeah.
You gonna stay Brazilian or you?
No. And my amp popped, and not popped, it blew one. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.